What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, King Hussle X1M, and Turn Motivation into Millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? I got a lot of fake social media platforms out there, from Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, you name it. And I need you guys to be more aware and more cautious of who you're talking to and who you're sending your money to, all right? It's almost, listen, first of all my links are in my bio, so just follow those links. And before you send your money to any of these King Hussle pages, just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody claiming to be King Hussle, so you can make sure you see this face, you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, today, I'm going to be giving you guys 2 sites on where you can go to start building your business credit and start getting $10,000 loans on the business side. Not the personal side, but the business side. Because like I said, it's easier for people to get loans, credit cards, lines of credits, and things of that nature on the business side than it is the personal side. That's why it's a lot of money being funded and granted on the business side than it is on the personal side, because it takes money to make money, and they know if you get this loan, you make money, you're going to be able to pay that loan back, and they're going to make money off that loan. All right, so boom, we're going to be talking about 2 places, and those 2 places are Red Spectrum and HD Supply. And these 2 places are basically places where you can go set up an account, pay off the account, and it'll be reported to your business credit. Because like I told you guys before, having a Paydex score of 80 or better, because your business credit score is calculated on the Paydex score from 1 to 100, not 300 to 850. It's 1 to 100. And if you got an 80 or better on your Paydex score, you're classified as a good liability on the business side for loans, credit cards, higher limits. All right, so a lot of people be asking me, King Hussle, I want to make money like you. I want to do this, I want to do that. Well, you want to make money like me, you want to get ahead like me, you're going to have to get your business together. You're going to have to get your credit together. You're going to have to do those things like that. Because like I said, once you start figuring out and seeing what's important, once you figure out, I can get this loan and invest into this, you're not going to be worried about getting chains and diamonds and watches and jewelry and clothes and things like that. You're going to be worried about investing to make more millions, more money, to make more billions. You're going to get addicted to it, all right? And I'm trying to get everybody addicted to investing and being blessed and making more money. So today we're going to be talking about these two places: Red Spectrum, HD Supply, Net 30s, how you can add them to your business credit and get a jump start on your Paydex score of 80 or better, all right? So let's jump into it. So the first place we're going to be talking about is Red Spectrum, all right? Net 30 payment terms. Learn how to master Net 30 terms. The term Net 30 is one of the most common payment terms in the U.S. In short, it's a payment period. This means that the customer has 30 days to pay the total amount in their invoice. There are other common net terms such as Net 60 and Net 90, like I told you guys before. But are Net 30 payment terms ideal for business, and should you open a Net 30 vendor account? In this article, you'll find out about Net terms, Net 30 vendors account, pros and cons of Net 30s, similar terms, Net 30 alternatives, all right? How do Net 30 payments work? If you are running a B2B company, whatever industry you're in, you're responsible for determining your payment terms. While some businesses require payment in advance or payment at the time of service scale, there are options to allow customers to pay later. Essentially, you give your customers short-term financing or trade credit without interest, but at the end, it's only invoicing. And that's how the majority of businesses view Net 30 payment terms. Who offers net terms? You're determined about Net 30 terms. You should sure it will suit your business, but the question is here: who offers net terms? In short, vendors like Red Spectrum are specialized in legal entities that offer their customers Net 30 terms. For every single customer, we ensure that easily open a Net 30 vendor account and grow their credit limit. For example, if you are looking to open a Net 30 vendor account, the Red Spectrum is one of the best of the market. Just Just by completing your first purchase, we'll open up a Net 30 vendor account for you, your business, and give you a 3,500 credit limit to start. This means that you have 30 days at your disposal to pay the invoice. And for every next purchase, you'll get a $1,500 credit limit increase. They cracking. What are 210 Net 30 terms and how to calculate them? In short, 210 Net 30s is a trade credit offer to customers for certain sale. But what does 210 Net 30 actually mean? If the amount due is paid within 10 days, the customer will have a 2% discount. If the amount due is not paid within 10 days, the amount due is in full within 30 days. If you're more of a visual type of person, there's an image explaining. All right, so that's the image right there. So basically, if you pay the payment back within 10 days, you get a 2% discount on the price that you got to pay back. But if you don't, you got to pay the full price that they gave you before. A customer has purchased $1,000 from company A on the terms of 230 Net 30, 210 Net 30. They pay the full amount within 10 days, but they don't need to pay $1,000. In this case, they'll pay $980. If the customer pays after 10 days, they need to pay the full $1,000. What does 310 Net 30 mean? Some of the previous examples, 310 Net 30 refers to the trade credit offered to the customer in a certain sale. In this case, if an amount due paid within 10 days, the customer will receive 3% discount. But if the amount is not due within 3 days, they get the full amount. So the same thing. Net 30 on invoice, what does it mean? It goes into that. Can you pay Net 30 early? In short, yes. What does a Net 30 start? Usually the Net 30 starts at the moment of the invoice date. For example, if you order something and the date of the invoice says 7 July 22, your Net 30 starts exactly on 7 July 32. What are the pros and cons? What are the benefits of using Net 30 Perm? Most easily secure new clients, provide extra incentive for your customers to buy, create an early payment discount for the customers, remain competitive in the industry, build customer loyalty. All right, so just go down and run through them things right there for Red Spectrum. So then another one is HD Credit Supply, all right? That's the website up there. So take advantage of the Net 30, take advantage of the 30-day net terms by opening a credit account with HD Supply. Please click the link below in order to access our online credit application, HD Supply credit application. That's it right there. Clicking the link will open a new browser window, HD Provider online application service. Please ensure to close all browsers open, completing your order, delete any locally cached information. Introducing the Pro Purchase Card. All purchases made using the Pro Purchase Card are involved in the HD Supply account, involving a gateway to easy payment management and account visibility. Get what you need when you need it in a Pro Purchase Card, which works at the Home Depot retail stores nationwide. All right, so these are, and then with this company, they got all different type of thing. They got all different type of products. They got they really got a whole bunch of stuff. They got appliances, they got cabinets, they got cleaning, janitorial stuff. They got doors and remodeling, electrical, electronics. Like you can literally go in here. They got all these different cell phone repair, television accessories, two-way radios, speakers. Just stuff that you can, handy stuff that you can buy, plumbing, paint supplies, linens, lighting, ceiling fans, pool supplies, property marketing, safety signs, storage tools, window coverings, hospitality supplies. They got a lot of supplies for different jobs and stuff like that. They got janitorial stuff like cleaning tools. Like they got a whole, it gets deep. So like wipes and wipers, dusters, dust mops, disinfecting tools, bucket carts and signs, brushes, scrubbing tools, brooms, dustpans, and sweepers. They got a lot of different things that you can buy to start making some money off, start up a little. Instead of going to Walmart and things like that, get the stuff on your business side so you can start making some money, all right? HD Supply. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it, my people. Like I told y'all before, start focusing on your business. Start focusing on being an entrepreneur, because this is going to be easier for you to get these loans. It's going to be easier for you to utilize. Because like I said, those personal loans, them bad credit loans and things like that, them credit cards, the utilization rate and the APRs be a lot different on the business side, all right? Credit cards, you get a $10,000 credit card on your personal side, you got a utilization rate. You get a $10,000 credit card on your business side, you don't have a utilization rate, which means you can use the whole $10,000 up, it will be okay. As long as you pay that money back on time or before the due date, that's a-okay. So I want a lot of people to start focusing on opening up businesses, starting their LLCs, getting EIN numbers, getting they Dun and Bradstreet numbers, getting their UEI numbers, getting their business established. When I mean established, getting registered with the Secretary of State in your state, getting a virtual address, getting a business number, getting a business email, getting your business number registered with the 401 National Directory, getting a website. And there's a lot of places where you can go to outsource all these things to get what you need, all right? And a lot of people don't understand that. So if you really want to get some money, you really want to succeed, you really want to like elevate in life, start focusing on the business side. Start focusing on starting you a business, and a lot of people like, man, I ain't got no money to start a business. Figure out what you want to start a business in. Figure out what you want to become a millionaire with. Start that LLC. Make sure nobody has that domain name or nothing like that. Get it established, and then start adding these net 30s and net 60s and net 90s to your credit, your business credit profile. And I guarantee you'll get an 80 Paydex score or higher very, very, very fast. And then you could be qualified to start getting these loans, these $100,000 loans, these $5 million loans, these $250,000 loans, and things like that. All right, so just start paying attention to business. You want to get your personal credit together. You want to get your personal credit in good standing, but start paying attention more to the business side. All right, my eyes puffy as heck. Start paying attention to the business side, because it's way easier to be successful when you're getting these loans on the business side. The rich get richer off loans and other people's money, which is the banks. The poor get poor because they don't have bank accounts. They don't know nothing about bank accounts. They live in check to check. They don't know how to invest. They don't know how to improve their credit. They don't know how to get certain jobs. They know how to get certain jobs, but they lazy. They don't want to invest in themselves. They got their hand out. So don't be one of those people. Be a person that's going to be successful in life. Be somebody that understands, like, okay, if I really want to be a millionaire, I'm not going to do it not doing nothing in life. I'm not going to be just sit here and just a miracle just not going to happen. $1 million, $1 billion just not going to fall out the sky. So I'm going to have to do something so I can get some money, point blank, period. And that's going to be getting your credit together, investing in your LLC and your business, and investing in yourself, point blank, period. That's going to make passive income. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters. Shout out to all my real King Hussle subscribers. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping these videos. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So salute y'all. Shout out to all my new King Hussle subscribers. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms and all my YouTube channels. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle X1M, Turn Motivation into Millions. Make sure you follow me on my social media platforms. My official IGs is King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. That's my backup. All those links are in the main bio on my IG, so you can already know which pages are real. Still looking for people for the production company: rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, cameraman. Tap in. Music reviews is $200. You want me to review your music? You want me to see what you got? $200 cash out payment. Book your seat right now on an in-person crypto tour. Unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state. You come to me. $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you. $500 deposit. We pick a date. The rest of the money when we meet in person. Unlimited gems is $500 until for the next 2 days. So make sure you tap in. Don't miss out on that. And y'all already know how I get down. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all need anything, tap in with me. Don't yo me or none of that stuff in my IG inbox, because I will not respond. If I don't respond to you in the inbox, that means we're not on the same page, right? Or you don't have good business etiquette. Know how to talk to somebody when y'all write them in their inbox, all right? So y'all be real disrespectful and real janky. Like, don't nobody want to. The way y'all talk will hinder people from doing business with y'all, okay? Remember that. So be professional, be ready to work, and we're going to get this money. All right, it's your boy King Hussle. Make sure you follow me on my Telegram. The links is in my community post, so you can't miss that. And let's win. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you next video. Peace.